Jedbaby friend, it's JD here, and these are the Lollipop Push Bubble Fidget Toy. I'm going to pop the bubbles. Pop this one first. This is the quiet side. Yeah, this is the quiet side. See? I'm going to pop like this. Thing right there. See? And then this little one. And then flip it over like this. Oh. And then I'm gonna, and this is the loud side. And pop this one, pop this one, and this one, and pop the middle right here again. And then this one has a lot of colors. It has like pink, it has yellow right here. It has like green, blue, and purple right here. And it also has like a little bow right here too. The bow is purple. And then I'm gonna pop this one now. Pop this one. Pop it fast. Pop this one. And I'm gonna flip it over like this. And I'm gonna pop it, these. And it's also like the other one. It just has some different colors. So this is light green, it has pink, it has a little blue, you see. And also it has the bow. Oh, forgot to pop it. And it also like has a bow like this one, see? And it's like, and they're pretty much the same. It's just they have different colors. And yeah, go check it out and shop at jedbaby.com. And please like and subscribe. Bye.